What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. Today we're here to demonstrate how to restore tabs in Google Chrome. So for reference, I have the Google Pixelbook Go, which is a Chromebook. Now before we get started, make sure you're using the newest version of Chrome OS on your Chromebook. Now in order to restore tabs in Google Chrome, we're going to be using two techniques. Now one technique uses the Google Chrome menus, and the other technique uses a keyboard shortcut. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So sometimes we may be doing important work or have interesting topics going on in all these different tabs, and we may accidentally close the browser. Now this could be pretty devastating, especially if you have important tabs open. So let's go ahead and simulate this. I'm going to exit out of this browser session by clicking the X in the top right hand corner. Now we're going to go ahead and open a new browser here, and you can see all my tabs are missing, but that's okay, we can fix this. So in the top right hand corner of the browser, we're going to have these three dots, and we're going to click on them, and they're going to bring up a drop down menu. Now this menu is filled with quite a few options, but we want to restore our tabs. So we're going to navigate down to history, make sure that's highlighted or we have our arrow over it, and we're going to click enter or click on it with the mouse pad, and you can see it's going to bring out the slide-in menu. Now this isn't only a useful feature if you want to restore your tabs from your last Google Chrome session on this device, but it's also a useful feature if you want to restore tabs from another device. Now this is great if you started work on maybe a smartphone or a tablet and you want to continue that work onto, say, a Chromebook. Now looking at this list, our first option listed is recently closed. Now this section is going to list the tabs that were recently open on this device right here. Now navigating into this section, we want to highlight the most recent item, that would be the 7 tabs, and we can go ahead and click enter or click on that item with the mouse. Now you can see all our tabs have restored successfully, and this works every time. Now of course there is a shortcut, and shortcuts always work really fast. Now we're going to close Google Chrome again and demonstrate this shortcut, which will be Control-Shift+T. So as you can see, we have Google Chrome running here again, and we're going to just click on the search, and then we're going to press Control-Shift+T, and that's going to bring up all our recent tabs again. Now this is a nice option compared to navigating menus because obviously it works faster. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link found in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything that you do buy from the storefront does support the channel. The next way you can support the channel is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can support the channel is just by clicking that subscribe button. Now liking and subscribing are important. Those are your ways to vote on whether you like the video or the channel. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers. When new viewers see likes and subscribers, they'll think that the videos are helpful and the channel is worth watching. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.